Right now, somewhere in the world, there is a room so clean that you are not allowed inside it. Not because it is dangerous, because you are. You breathing. You with skin. You carrying thousands of invisible particles on every inch of your body. To this room, you are a walking dust storm. Inside, machines build something smaller than you can imagine. And a single speck of dust, one you would never even notice, can destroy a chip worth more than your car. So how does something this tiny cause damage this big? And why does the entire modern world depend on keeping it out? Stay with me, because by the end of this, you will never look at dust the same way again. To understand the problem, you have to understand the scale. And honestly, your brain is not built for this. A modern microchip is covered in features so small they are measured in nanometers. A nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter. If that number means nothing to you, good, it shouldn't. Nobody's does. So let's make it real. Imagine a single human hair. Now imagine slicing that hair into 1,000 slices. The circuits on a chip are smaller than one of those slices. Now here is the part that breaks people's brains. A speck of dust, the kind floating in the sunlight of your living room, is a giant. Compared to those circuits, one dust particle is like a boulder dropped onto a city. It doesn't scratch the chip, it buries it. Here is what makes dust so dangerous in this world. It is not one thing, it is everything. Dust is dead skin, fabric fibers, pollen, smoke, tiny flakes of metal, bacteria. A single human sheds millions of skin cells every single day. Just by existing, you are constantly falling apart in slow motion. Which is beautiful, in a disgusting sort of way. Now picture one of those particles landing on a chip mid-construction. The machine keeps building, layer after layer after layer, right on top of it. The particle becomes a mountain, frozen inside the circuit. Connections that were supposed to meet never do. And the chip is born broken. It will never work. Not now, not ever. One speck, millions of dollars of equipment ruined in silence. This is why chips are not made in factories. They are made in clean rooms. And a clean room is not just a tidy room. It is one of the most controlled environments humans have ever built. The air you are breathing right now has hundreds of thousands of particles in every cubic foot. The best clean rooms allow almost none. The air is filtered again and again and pushed downward from the ceiling in a constant, invisible waterfall. Every particle that dares to appear is swept toward the floor and sucked away before it can land on anything that matters. Think about that. An entire room running 24 hours a day, fighting a war against something you can't even see. And then there is you, the human, the problem. If dust is the enemy, then a person is the enemy's headquarters. You shed skin, you breathe out moisture. Your clothes release fibers, your hair drops strands. Even your makeup, your lotion, your perfume, all of it is contamination. So the workers wear what people jokingly call bunny suits, full body suits, hoods, masks, gloves, goggles. Not to protect the human from the room, to protect the room from the human. Before they even enter, they pass through air showers, chambers that blast them with jets of clean air to knock loose any last particles clinging on. They move slowly, carefully, because even walking too fast stirs up the air. In here, a sneeze is not an accident. It is a catastrophe. Now you might be thinking, this is insane. All of this for dust? Yes, and here is why. A single wafer, the disk that chips are cut from, can be worth a fortune, and it holds hundreds of chips at once. If contamination sneaks in, it doesn't ruin one chip, it can ruin the entire batch. The machines that make them can cost more than $100 million each. The factories cost billions. And the chips they protect? They are in your phone, your car, your bank, hospitals, power grids, the plane you flew on. Almost everything you touch today started its life in one of these rooms. The world you live in was built by protecting it from a thing you can hold your breath and never see. This is the payoff of the open loop. So, a speck of dust that can destroy something worth more than your car. A room you are too dirty to enter. An entire industry built around fighting an enemy nobody can see. But here is the strange truth underneath all of it. The reason this feels so unbelievable is that we live in a world obsessed with perfection we never notice. Every time your phone lights up, every time your card is approved, every time a plane lands safely, it worked because somewhere, someone fought a war against a single particle of dust and won. We think the modern world is powerful, solid, unbreakable, but it is balanced on something almost impossibly fragile. A world this advanced can be undone by something this small. So the next time you see dust drifting in a beam of sunlight, remember that somewhere that exact thing is the most feared enemy on Earth. And somewhere behind the wall, a room full of clean air is still fighting to keep it out. If this changed the way you see something as boring as dust, then you already get what this channel is about. We find the hidden systems running underneath everything, the ones you never think about until someone shows you. This is a new channel, so subscribing genuinely helps more than you'd think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you beneath the surface.